Ladies and gentlemen, you have all had a copy of the accounts and of the director's report, and with your approval, I propose that we take them as read. In commenting on the accounts, I want to draw your attention to the fact that although our capital account has increased by rupees 50,000, which represent the new capital issued on the 2nd July last year, yet we had no benefit from this money during the trading period under review except as regards the sum of the rupees 1400 being interest earned during the 12 months. We have of course made payments on account of our new factory from time to time, and this money should begin earning during the next few months as soon as we are installed. As regards the trading profit of rupees 28,500, this beats all previous records and is an increase of 17% over the previous year's total. You will recall that at our last meeting I said that if all went well and history repeated itself, we should earn 19% on our issued capital. Actually, the profit earned represents 22% on the issued capital. During the year, we had a very severe fire in our ironmongery department, which completely disorganized our production for 5 weeks, destroying large numbers of fittings and every machine in the machine shop. Fortunately, our stocks of completed machines were sufficient to tide us over the worst period. But when I tell you that instead of manufacturing models in batches of 250 and even less, you will realize what difficulties had to be overcome. Great credit is due to my colleagues for obtaining premised while the fire was still raging, and to our executive staff for re-equipping and getting back to normal production in 6 weeks. As regards the future, I told you last year that I was of the opinion that we had reached capacity in our old plant, but we still managed to squeeze a little more out of it. Although a great number of people are pessimistic, I am not. There is, in my opinion, a better feeling about it generally, and I will confirm what I said last year, that I see no reason why history should not repeat